Hello, Quizmaster. Shall we test your knowledge in the field of geography? Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like it. Are you ready? Then we begin.
The highest waterfall in the world, with a height of 979 meters. It is named after pilot Jimmy Angel, who discovered the waterfall in 1933. It was discovered by David Livingstone in 1855. The noise of Victoria Falls can be heard at a distance of up to 40 kilometers, and the water mist rises to a height of up to 400 meters. The waterfall has been known since the 17th century. Interesting fact: approximately 28 million liters of water pass through Niagara Falls every second. Nunes Cabeza de Vaca waterfall was discovered in 1541. Iguazu consists of 275 separate waterfalls, which together form the largest waterfall complex in the world. It was opened in the 19th century. Yosemite Falls is one of the highest in North America, with a height of 739 meters. This waterfall was discovered in the 19th century. The widest waterfall in the world, its width reaches 10,783 meters in the rainy season. It is considered the most powerful waterfall in Europe, with a water flow of up to 500 cubic meters per second. It is located in the Fiordland National Park and has an altitude of 580 meters. It was discovered by Donald Sutherland in 1880. This waterfall is part of the glacial Vita River and has 2 levels of fall. It is also called the Golden Waterfall. This waterfall is part of the glacial Vita River and has 2 levels of fall. It is also called the Golden Waterfall.
Did you like the quiz? Write in the comments what quiz topics you will be interested in. Like, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.